I need to format this hard drive. It's HP 360205-012 and the model here. It's a 68 pin, so I'm gonna need to remove it from that casing. It's very hard to attach to the cable with adapter with 80 pin. So we just remove it from that tray, and we'll see what happens here. Okay, drive is removed. I have this cable with 68 to 80 pin converter. So plugged into the motherboard. Power is here. I have server connected to the monitor. I have I just plugged in the power and we're gonna fire it up. Okay, it's starting and we'll see what happens. I just have to watch the screen. Okay, monitor is coming up. We're gonna wait for the LSI controller. I have it built into the server, so I have to get to the BIOS. Control A. Now we'll see if it will detect the drive. Okay, it's showing the drive, so we can do verification first, and after that we'll do format. So we'll see if there's any progress. %. I'm not gonna watch the whole thing, but it's definitely moving, so they'll get a couple of percent, and I'll stop recording and we'll come back when it's done and see if there are any errors. Okay, 2%. Let's get to 3% and I will stop video.